Hello everyone, Tashi Tilak. This is Tashi Bazan, or you can also call me Jordan. Who is Lord Buddha? Let me tell you brief about it. He was born a prince. His name was Siddhartha. So Siddhartha was sheltered from the realities of the world. He married and had a son, but eventually he encountered suffering through an old man, a sick man, and a corpse. This experience prompted him to live his life of luxury and seek a way to end suffering. So, Siddhartha adopted an ascetic lifestyle, engaging in extreme self-denial and meditation. He eventually rejected self-mortification as a path to enlightenment. Under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, he attained enlightenment. Becoming the Buddha, he discovered the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Buddha spent the remainder of his life teaching his philosophy, focusing on compassion, non-violence, and cessation of suffering. He established the Buddhist Sangha, a community of monks and nuns who followed his teachings. He passed away in Kushinagar, India at the age of 80. So that was the brief history of Lord Buddha. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.